What's up everyone? In this video, we'll be talking about Patreon and how it works. So, what is Patreon? Patreon is a platform that allows creators to earn income directly from their fans or patrons. This is possible by offering exclusive content or perks in exchange for a monthly subscription. Just think of it as a way for artists, writers, podcasters, and other creatives to turn their passion into a paycheck with fan support. Now here's how it works. When creating an account, you have to choose if you're a creator or a member. Now creators get to offer different levels of perks, and this could be early access, behind the scenes content, exclusive merchandise, and all these at various price points. If you're trying to get Patreon for the first time, however, you don't need to worry about paying for every membership. Some creators have a free tier where you can get either unlimited content or limited content when compared to patrons subscribed to a higher tier. Now, fans can become patrons by subscribing to a tier that matches what they're willing to pay and what perks they'd like to receive. Then when it comes to payment, if you'd like to continue paying without the hassle of manually making payments monthly, you have recurring payments. Here, patrons are billed monthly and creators receive a steady flow of income. Some consider this as crowdfunding on autopilot, but with real content. So instead of funding a single project, fans or patrons support their creators' ongoing work. It's great for creatives who want to connect deeply with their audience and pay the bills. When you're logged in as a member, on the side you can see Explore Community Notification and Settings. You can see under memberships whom you're currently a member of. You can also see what you recently visited. Under Explore, you can see lots of different options of creators where you can pick from. Also, you can search by topics or search by creators at the top. You also have the quick dial here where you get to choose the different options which are displayed. So either you're using this to search for your creators or topics, or you can scroll down to explore more. There are different sections such as what is popular on a given week, explore the topics, and you also get to see new patrons on Patreon. And the more you scroll down, you get to see other sections curated by Patreon. Do take note that you can also have the Patreon app on your mobile device. Now, if you're a creator, Patreon lets you to post a variety of types of content, from images to videos, text, links, and others. Another cool feature about Patreon is that it offers social media integration for creators. On your creator page, you can see the button Add Socials. You can click on it and you can connect YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, and TikTok. All this serves the goal of giving you the right exposure to your fan base. And as a creator, when you start earning, you can go over to your payouts and you see how much has been contributed, paid, or donated into your Patreon account. If you'd like to withdraw, of course, you have the add payment method. And if you're doing it for the first time, you get to set some details in order to have your payout, such as if you're an individual or a corporation, your citizen status. Then you get to select your country. Of course, depending on the payment method, you'll need to read the fine print on the terms and conditions, such as the cut Patreon takes as you're being paid. So this is what Patreon is all about and how it works. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.